Hello. A variety of inhaler devices are available to treat lung conditions. This video will show you how to use your Genuair Inhaler. If you use your inhaler correctly, you'll get more of the medication into your lungs, giving you better control of your breathing problem. But if used incorrectly, you may have poor control of your condition, with the risk of side effects, such as a sore throat or mouth infection. You should always sit upright or stand up when using your Genuair Inhaler. Start by removing the protective cap from the mouthpiece. To do this, lightly squeeze the arrows on each side of the protective cap and pull. Look inside the mouthpiece to check that it's not blocked. Hold the inhaler horizontally with the mouthpiece pointing towards you and the button pointing upwards. Use your finger to press the button all the way down and then release it. Check the control window to see whether it's turned green. This confirms that the inhaler is ready to be used. If the control window does not turn green, you've not pressed the button firmly enough and you should try again. When you're ready, breathe out gently as far as you comfortably can, but not into the mouthpiece. Now, place the mouthpiece into your mouth and between your teeth, but don't bite down on it. Close your lips around the mouthpiece to form a tight seal. Make sure that the button is still pointing upwards. Breathe in through your mouth, strongly and deeply. You'll hear the inhaler click, which indicates that you're breathing in at the right level. Don't stop breathing when you hear the click. Keep breathing in as far as you can to ensure that you get the full dose. Remove the inhaler from your mouth while holding your breath for up to 10 seconds, or for as long as is comfortable. Breathe out slowly through your nose, but not into the mouthpiece. If the control window is still green, you've not taken the full dose of medicine, and you need to breathe out before inhaling strongly and deeply through the mouthpiece again. The control window will turn red when you've inhaled the full dose of medicine. When you're finished, replace the protective cap over the mouthpiece. If your inhaler contains a steroid, brush your teeth or rinse your mouth with water and spit it out after every use to prevent mouth infections. Ask your pharmacist if you're unsure whether your inhaler contains a steroid. There is a counter on the inhaler which shows you how many doses you have remaining. The number of doses decreases by intervals of 10. When a red striped band appears, this means there are only a few doses remaining, and you should order a new Genuair Inhaler. When there's only one dose remaining in your Genuair Inhaler, the button will lock in a middle position once the last dose is ready to inhale. If you're unsure about how to use your Genuair Inhaler or have any other questions, speak to your GP, practice nurse or pharmacist for assistance.